Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best wax snowboard product currently on the market, the LFUTARI Snowboard and Ski Wax. Whether you're a seasoned snowboarder, an occasional skier, or just getting started with winter sports, this wax is built to elevate your experience on the slopes. Let's start with what comes in the box. You're getting a generous 0.66 pound block of wax, which may not sound like much at first, but this amount is actually enough to wax multiple snowboards or several pairs of skis. That means you're not just buying one-time protection, you're getting long-lasting value. If you're someone who hits the slopes frequently throughout the season, this block will keep you covered for a while. Now, what really makes this wax stand out is its universal temperature performance. Unlike specialized waxes that only perform well under narrow temperature bands, LFUTARI's wax is formulated to work across a wide range of snow conditions. It handles cold, dry powder just as well as it does the slushy, dirty spring snow that can really challenge most waxes. So whether you're heading up in mid-winter or getting in your last few runs in April, this wax adapts. It's made with premium material, which translates to better glide and reduced friction on snow. That means faster speeds and smoother control, whether you're carving, straight lining, or hitting the terrain part. And better glide isn't just about going faster, it also reduces fatigue, so you can stay on the mountain longer with less effort. Another important point is how easy it is to apply. You can use it with a waxing iron for hot waxing, which is ideal for deep conditioning and long-lasting performance. But if you're in a hurry, you can also rub it on and buff it in for a quick fix before a run. This dual application approach gives you flexibility depending on your schedule and waxing setup. Protection is another key benefit. By applying LFUTARI wax regularly, you're not only improving performance, you're also preserving the base of your skis or snowboard. It creates a barrier against ice, debris, and moisture, reducing the chance of base damage and oxidation. That translates into fewer repairs and a longer lifespan for your gear. If you've ever dealt with a slow board that drags in flatter terrain or sticks on wet snow, you know how frustrating that can be. This wax solves that problem. It enhances glide efficiency, which keeps you moving where others might stall out. One last detail worth noting: while it's high performance, it's also beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a tuning expert to get great results. Just a waxing iron, a scraper, and a few minutes of time, and you're ready to go. So if you're searching for a reliable, all-season wax that gives you both speed and protection, the LFUTARI Snowboard and Ski Wax delivers. It's versatile, efficient, long-lasting, and made for riders who want peak performance without constant re-waxing. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews of the gear that matters most. Whether it's snow season or sunny trails, we've got your gear game covered. See you in the next one.